The police conducted a raid at telecoms firm Caricel earlier today. The entity halted operations last year following an appeal court decision handed down in March. Kirk Wright is at the Caricel's Eastwood Avenue office and now joins us live. Kirk?
Thank you very much. We are at the offices of Caricel, the telecoms provider, here at 4 Eastwood Park Avenue, where we were told by employees today that the police from MOCA came, stormed the building and huddled the employees into an office. Then they began to carry out several searches of the building. We were also told that the employees asked for why they were searching, but they got no answer. Not long ago, while we were here, many of the police officers who came left. One particular man had a suitcase that was taken from inside the building, and they left in several vehicles. Now, earlier we spoke to an employee who described for us what the police did when they came here at Caricel.
When they came, they went upstairs and they said, "Oh, come down, everybody come down." And when we came downstairs, they said, "Go at that corner, go at that corner, go at that corner," and they take our phones. So I said to him, "So what if I'm going to get an emergency call?" No call, no phone. They placed it on the desk and they escorted us around a corner, and they had us there for more than 5 hours. We couldn't eat or anything. If we want to go to the bathroom, they had to escort us. They have a crime scene at the front, and they have three policemen at the side, and one is looking out. So when that policeman opened the gate, three other policemen attack the customers and search them, ask them if they have any illegal weapon, if they have their device, and they bring them into a room and have them seated, and they question them and take their devices, and that's not right.
What device are you talking about?
The small pocket modem, which is the portable device that we sell to customers.
Now, remember I told you that the employees were searched. A man told me earlier today that he was searched, his car was searched, his car was parked on the outside. That was searched thoroughly, but he wasn't able to take his laptop that is still inside. He said when he tried to remove his laptop, he was told by a police officer that they weren't sure it was his, so he had to leave without it. There's some uncertainty now as to what will happen. The workers are not sure if they will be allowed to come back inside, when, or if they still have their jobs. I did speak to the same employee who shared with us the uncertainty she's feeling.
We don't know if we're going to come to work Monday or tomorrow. We normally work open on Saturdays, and they said that we should not come because they're still investigating. So we don't know if we're going to be coming to work Monday until further notice.
As it stands, while most of the police have left, there's still some on the compound. The gates are locked and is cordoned off.
Thank you so much, Kirk. Now, just some background here. The Office of Utilities Regulation, OUR, said based on a court ruling last year, Symbiote is not authorized to own or operate a business, nor is it permitted to provide telecommunications or other specified services as defined in the Telecommunications Act. According to the OUR, the Court of Appeal denied Symbiote's application for a stay of the Minister of Technology's decision to revoke the license. The court also set aside the order granting it permission to appeal.